Hi, my name is Lan. I'm recording this video to showcase my works in programming assignment number 4, the plot thickens. Now we move to the demonstration requirements. The first requirement is power on all 3 ESP devices and show step 1 and 2. Okay, this is the setup. When I use my hands to cover the photoresistor, you can actually see that the LED is dimmer and brighter and dimmer. It works the same for these two LEDs. Dimmer, brighter, dimmer, brighter. Similarly for the yellow LED. Now we will see how the master status is changing between the 3 ESP devices. Currently this one is the master with this onboard LED. If I cover this one, now the red LED ESP is the master. Cover these two, the master goes to the yellow one. Cover these two, master goes to the red one. Cover these two, the master goes to the green one. You can actually look at the serial monitor here, where we have data broadcasting to the channel every 100 milliseconds. Okay, let's move to the next part. Now we have the Raspberry Pi jar with us, right? Now, show step from 3 to 5. You have the Raspberry Pi jar with us. We need to type Python main the pi. Okay, the code is running. So now with the Raspberry Pi, I can actually touch this button to reset all the 3 USB devices and have the ref pop up. 3, 2, 1 in 3 seconds. Everything will go back to normal. We have the ref here. Currently the one with the SWAM ID 7, the address with the last digit 7, is the master, which is this ESP. If I cover this one, now we should have another column, and the line wrap is changing as well. The color of the line is changing as well. Now if I cover these two, it should move to the SWAM ID number 6, which is the yellow one, and the master duration is increasing, as you can see. The first light wrap, the range is over the past 30 seconds, but the bar chart I make it to capture the total time that on the ESP is the master. If I change the brightness, you see on the ref that it reflects the level of light intensity that I'm placing on the ESP right now. Okay, so now let's try to plug out one ESP and see what's happening. Oh, we forgot to look at the the log file. Actually, if we press the button again, there, another log file, the subsequent one. Okay, and look at the log file. In the requirements, we are required to have all devices that became masters, IP addresses of these devices, how long each device was a master, which is the master duration, and the raw data from each master. Okay, I have everything required in the log file, and all the raw data from the specific IP address is classified to. This is the data from the IP address or the SWAM ID 7. This is from the IP address for SWAM ID 4. And this one is from IP address 6, SWAM ID 6. So now, we will see how this system can work dynamically. Right here we have 2 ESP. Okay. Now if we plug this one in, and this one is the master. We should have one more column. The line is changing the color as well. Press the button. Everything turn off and then on again. We have the third log file with the third button pressed. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for everything.